In this quick video, I'll show you how to change starting point on Waze. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So firstly, open Waze app in your mobile. Once you open it, there are two methods to add starting point in this app. First method is really easy. For that we need to search here our location in this search tab. Now search here the location which you want to add as your starting point. Once you select your location, it will show you that location page now. Open it and now tap on these three dots which is more. Once you tap on it, then click on set as start point, and now all we need to do is add a destination point here and everything will be done. So this was the first method. For second method, we just need to zoom on the map and select the location which you want to set as starting point. Just hold on that location by your finger and this will load. Here we need to tap on again these three dots and now it will show you this page. We need to tap on preview location and now we need to repeat the same process. Tap on the three dots and set as start point and it will be set as your start point. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.